Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we take a trip on the Boulder Creek Nature Trail. This trail is not well known. It's out by the Longworth Mountain Trail in the community of Longworth, BC. So there's a number of waterfalls on this trail. It's a pretty short trail. I think it's maybe a couple kilometers. We went a little more than than the trail was supposed to go. We kind of bushwhacked a bit. We didn't really know. So anyways, if you want to visit this place, there are a bunch of really beautiful waterfalls. Really, some of them are steep, some of them are really easy to get to. So all kind of manner of levels of hikers can check this place out. You can see this one's right here beside the river, and there's some falls there. But a really cool place to check out if you're already going to be in Longworth, or if you just want to look at a bunch of waterfalls. The trail is marked, like I said, maybe a few kilometers. We went about 4.5 kilometers, and that was about what we did. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Parked here. I think I might see a trail over here.
There's
something over here
going on here because there's orange.
There's like something over here. Either over there.
Orange painted on the trees, she said.
Yeah, this is definitely a trail here.
Well, let's follow it.
All right.
Don't keep moving because I want to get the side. Because I talked to her.
And you said back there you thought you saw something, so if we were that close to finding it the other day. Seems to go kind of both ways.
I forgot to GoPro any other from the beginning, so I think I'll just let you do it.
All right.
Tell the trail just for yourself.
Yeah.
How many times you done it?
True.
Swam or waded or whatever in the pool down below.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's not there, though.
Here's another sign. So see it, forks over there, forks over here. Yeah. Yeah. I want to step this anywhere. Gerald's coming down. crazy dog.
Probably you go with your phone too.
What's that?
Can you go on exposure with your phone and camera?
I think so. Come on, Penny. Up you go. Come on. Up you go. Good girl. So 2 more. Not sure what this is because the sign's butchered. All right, so at this point in the hike, there was no more trail, and we just continued to follow the creek up, and we were basically bushwhacking, and that's what you're going to see for the rest of it until we turn around and get back to the trail. Is there? Okay. Probably goes up there. Here's the ribbon. This whole thing's ready to collapse.
They don't win there.
Yeah. Come here, Penny. Come on. So at this point we had bushwhacked long enough and decided to start heading back. Looks like it. climbing up the crazies. Heading down, looking for those other waterfalls. I don't know. See where this takes us. Looking for that big waterfall just over this cliff. Looking for the safest one. It's a bit better. I mean, still the trees are kind of blocking it, but you can see the falls and how steep it is. I'll move out of the way. Back to here. I don't know, people. Is there a way through here? I doubt it. This looks like the ultra sketch, but you never know. Yeah, I don't think so. Nope. Looks like a rope here, so maybe when it's low water you can walk up the riverbed to the falls, but not now in the spring. Definitely not. Just to recap, this, some kind of crossing. You can see some blue ribbons on the other side of the trail there. But I don't know. I mean, I could straddle this, but there's cliffs right there, so I'm not too hopeful, and they go up like 100 feet or so. I'm not too confident that's any better, so this seems pointless to me, plus dangerous. So alright, so at this point we popped up the drone and just flew upstream, and you get a really great view of that waterfall. So it sounds like people do get to that waterfall. It's just the time of year that you go. The creek would be a lot lower, and you could walk up the sides on the rock bed right up to that waterfall, but it was too deep for us to go. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and have a great day.